look at this beach. Wow. There's our boat out there. John with our tender. And then the girls.
Morning!
Yes, it's about 10 a.m. It's beautiful. Is this Ditaytayan Island? Absolutely stunning. We're the only ones here. Yikes. Beautiful. Yeah.
Beautiful water.
Yeah.
It's crystal clear and beautiful.
Yeah, the water is absolutely amazing.
Were we ever in that windy spot? What happened to that day when the wind and... Where'd that day
I
go?
don't know, we have no wind anymore.
Yeah.
Last night was a little windy, but...
That was those beams that you had.
Maybe.
Oh, this is heaven.
It really is. And we're going to go in here. Apparently there's a trail somewhere we have to find, and it goes to the other side of the island. We're going to have a look over there. And if not, then sit in this water for a couple of hours. Want to come here? If you want, you can. We'll help you.
And this afternoon's boot camp is swimming the length of the beach.